Hey guys, welcome back to the Detailing Space. Today I'm going to show you how to get your glass from looking like this to looking something a little more like this. So with winter fast approaching then guys, not only does it mean dark, damp nights and mornings, but we're also getting that crappy weather, poor visibility, and one of the easiest ways to basically improve your visibility is make sure you've got perfectly clean windows. And I don't just mean perfectly clean when it's on your drive or outside your house, but staying clean during the drive as well. So when you're driving home or to work and it's absolutely pitch black, chucking it down, you want to be able to see as clear as possible and as far as possible to be as safe as you can on the road. So before we get into this, I want to say a quick thank you to gtechniq for sending the products we're going to be using in today's video, and we'll just quickly take a look at those now. So they sent me a couple of items recently. We've got the XOV5. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to see that in action. I'm going to be testing that in the next couple of weeks. But also we've got the Clear Vision Smart Glass Kit as well, the G1 from gtechniq. Now in this kit you do get, it's like a two-part system really. So you got the G1 Smart Vision, you can see it's empty, I've already done that. And we've got the residue remover. We're also going to be using as well from gtechniq is the Perfect Glass as well. So yeah, they're the products we're going to be using. So once again, thanks very much to gtechniq for supplying these. You can get these direct from gtechniq or check out our friends over at Clean and Shiny. But yeah, let's get into how to get your windows looking pristine. So if you're fairly new to detailing, then you'll be glad to know that you don't need to break the bank to get this done. All you really need is a polishing applicator pad and a couple of microfiber cloths, a glass cleaner, so as I mentioned we've got the Perfect Glass from gtechniq, and also some sort of sealant as well to coat the windows afterwards. So the first thing you're going to want to do then is give the car a thorough wash down. You're going to be doing this anyway, and if you can, use a decon kind of shampoo. You can chuck some iron remover on at this stage if you will. I haven't. Just give the windows a nice clean as you would do with the rest of the bodywork. Rinse and dry off as you normally would. And at this stage then we're now going to be cleaning the glass. So just use your glass cleaner. This is going to remove any light residual oil and all of that stuff. And one thing you will notice on damp windows is you get this kind of like weird textured pattern look. That's dirt, grime, oil, that is just build-up of traffic film all over your windows. And you get that no matter what. So even, I find the strongest glass cleaners don't always remove those. But you may get some good results at this stage depending on the glass cleaning product you're using. The next stage is pretty optional. I would highly recommend this. Again, it doesn't cost the earth to do this. You just want a small microfiber applicator pad. If you've got the tools, then by all means use a mini machine polisher similar to this. This would be ideal for getting around the edges. Or use a dedicated polishing machine as well. Especially if you've just done a full correction or enhancement on your car, you might as well get the glass work done afterwards. This basically just speeds up the process. It doesn't do anything more than what this does. It's just quicker and this hurts your arm a bit more. So yeah, we're going to go around and polish the car then. One quick tip for you here on the side windows, drop them down a few inches so you can get right up into the top and just get that little big grime out from up there as well. It's just that nice little detail. You don't have to do that, but I find it makes all the difference. So just polish one window each time. After you've done the polishing stage, whether it's by hand or machine, as I say, it doesn't really matter, buff off the polish residue. And then with a separate clean microfiber, use your glass cleaner again. That will remove any filling agents, anything like that, and get the glass as clean as possible. So with all the windows clean and dry at this stage then, this is where we're going to be going on to the coating stage. So with the gtechniq's Clear Vision Smart Glass then, this is essentially you have to apply this 3 times. So if you read the instructions on this, you get a 2-part system as I mentioned. We've got the G1, which is the main coating. So you're going to apply this to the applicators that come inside the kit and just apply this to the windscreen in like a circular crosshatch pattern. And then go around the side windows if you wish. You don't have to, I did. But there's just enough in here to do the small Kia Picanto that we've got outside. Now I did 3 coats of the windscreen. That is what this kit's designed for. I probably did 1.5, 2 coats down the side windows, and I think I did about 2 coats on the rear window as well. Personally, I would make sure you've got at least the windscreen done and the back window, and then probably the 2 side windows so you've got clear visibility. Also with a little bit of dampness left on the applicator, go over your mirrors as well, might as well. So with the G1 specifically then, you wait 5 minutes between coats. As I say, you do 5 coats of this. You don't buff it off between coats, you apply, let it haze up, apply again, let it haze up, and apply the 3rd coat. After the 3rd coat, wait 15 minutes. So overall it's taking you 25 minutes to apply the coating. But really time flies. Once you've done the windscreen and you've gone around the sides, it's time to do the windscreen again. So you're not stood idle for much of the time at all. That 15-minute wait, put everything away, and again, get ready with your G2. Again, use one of the applicator pads. Also have a clean microfiber cloth to hand as well. So you're going to do this in the exact same kind of manner. So you're going to use this in pretty much a similar manner as the G1. Apply this to the applicator and rub it all over the window. Now, what I was finding was best was to do a quarter of the front windscreen and then buff it off with a clean microfiber, and then the next quarter, and so on. And again, work away around your car. If you do have any problems with this, I found you can use a little bit of glass cleaner to remove anything that's left over. As I said, this is really, it's designed as a kit to do your front windscreen. I've gone through this entire bottle just on a Kia Picanto, so I think you're going to be pushed to get around a family car with this kit. As I said, it's designed simply for your front windscreen. That's where you're looking. And then once you've done, that's it. Just make sure there's no streaks and smears left. If there are, then use any remaining G2 to remove that. As I said, you can use a little bit of glass cleaner if you absolutely need to. And then the results look like this. Absolutely fantastic. The beading behaviour, the sheeting, your windscreen's instantly clear. It's going to make, driving at night and in the rain much, much safer. You will find when you start hitting speeds above 60, the water just sheets off. You barely need to use your wipers. I'm not saying don't use your wipers. I'm just saying you barely need to use them. Absolutely fantastic stuff. So once again, thanks very much to gtechniq for sending these products out. And again, you can buy these direct from them or over at our friends at Clean and Shiny. If you've enjoyed this video and you found it useful, don't forget to smash that like button. That's just down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're not already. Click this icon just up here. And a couple of videos down below that I think you might enjoy. So hope you've enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next video.